Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to migrate Google Photos storage to another account. So we will use the native's Google storage synchronization framework to map account A straight to account B. So launch Google Photos, click on the gear icon right here in the top, then scroll down until you see a tab called Sharing or Partner Sharing. There you go, Partner Sharing. And input your brand new destination email address string, choose all photos, and authorize the transmission invitation pass. So just click on here. Then as you can see, you can share your photos with a favorite person. In this case, it's yourself. So all photos, next. And then you just add email, as you can see, and then you grant the full access with your photos and to your photos to your second account. So this is how you migrate, guys. Hopefully you enjoy our videos. If this was helpful, as always, like and subscribe.